Absolutely, it doesn't affect any of the factory warranties if you choose your very first oil change with Mrik Auto. Like this customer, they walk in here, the car only have 2,500 kilometers on it, and they just want a complete OEM German fluid. So we do give it two options, Liquimoly and Row. That's what they choose. It's a 2026 Golf R. It's not a common car. You're not going to see much on the road, especially with the 2026. So customer pick Liquimoly this time. We do have 3 different varieties on this one. If you guys do want the very first oil change from Mrik Auto, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. The reason behind the video is factory warranties doesn't affected by any of the after oil changes from the other shops. So as long as you want to claim anything on your warranty, you just need a piece of paper that you paid for a fully synthetic oil on your car, which we will provide you every time under warranty cars. Any of the similar queries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, guys, so if you guys buying a car and buy a warranty on extended warranties, we don't work on those. We got a lot of calls, like 5 calls a day. They bought a car from a dealer with extended warranty. We don't like to touch any of the extended warranty things because it's a lot of headaches to talk to the third-party company to get it approved. And we don't even know what kind of terms and condition customers sign it. So it's better if you buying something and you're not sure, just read your contracts of extended warranty or don't buy it. That's the best way. We got a lot of customer in a week. They are just shopping around door to door for extended warranty. They're checking out, are you guys dealing with any of the extended warranty? I got this. I paid like almost $4,000 on top of the vehicle price just to get this warranty. That warranty is nothing for us. They not pay us for anything. We have to spend a lot of time to inform them what's wrong with it. We don't like to do. We are busy, completely packed up. So if your car needs any of the work regarding engine and transmission and you have extended warranty, we're not going to help you out on that. Unless you want to pay from your pocket, that's the best way. Any of the similar cars, you can give us a call without non-warranty papers, and we're happy to help you out. On to the next car. So we're wrapping up this beautiful number 2 Ecodiesel V6. So this one is here ready with 1 year warranty, but the previous customer, they picked 2 years warranty. We sell up to 3 years warranty on the motor rebuilds. Just to let a lot of my customer knows, if you own any of the Ecodiesels and you have a low oil pressure warnings right in front of your dash, do not drive it. Consult Mrik Auto. We're happy to help you out. If no other people touching your truck just because they don't have the components to repair, because these days you're not going to find a single part internally from the engine from any of the dealership throughout the Canada. They just want to sell you the whole engine, which is 25 plus taxes, and you have to install it, or they're going to install it for you guys. We're going to do it in a fraction of cost for the rebuilds from your truck, but the condition is your truck has to be running. We don't want to get it seized, because when it seized, we are looking for a core engine to do the same rebuild stuff. But yes, we have inventory parts for everything internally for Ecodiesel engine. You don't have to throw your truck. You don't have to put it sale on the Facebook market for $5,000. We're gonna make it alive for another couple of years on the road. Depends what kind of warranty you're looking for with a brand new rebuild. Like this customer, they choose a 1 year warranty. The previous one we did it, they took 2 years of warranty. This is a number 3 actually from last month and a half. First one we did the 5.7. After this, we got back to back number 2 Ecodiesel. Any of the problem with a similar truck, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so 2021 Hyundai Elantra, 1.6 liter right here with a paddle pulsate. So the customer got two problems. Paddle was pulsating while they're braking on 40 to 60, and there was a steering shake when they're doing a brake on 70 to 80. So if this kind of stuff happened to your cars, majorly just because of the rotors got toasted. There's no point of putting just the pads because the rotors are done on this one. So similar experience going to happen on this one. So we changed the complete rotors with pads. Everything is packed up brand new. This car is only 90 clicks right now. So if you guys have a similar mileage and you're looking for the very first brake change since you bought the brand new, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We have a larger inventory for the coated rotors and ceramic pads. Any similar inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this issue here. If you own any of the Honda Civics or Honda CRV, Honda Accords, they are commonly failure with the rear shock absorbers right here. So this one is the OEM one, comes with it. So this vehicle came from BC and they just relocated to Ontario. They wanted license plates on this one. When we check it out for the safety thing, the inner, both of the rear tires, they got weared out pretty bad. Even the wires are out from this side. And this side, they still have 2.5 mm. So if you have a same thing on your Hondas, any of the Civics or CRVs, you probably started up with this part, which is a rear shock absorber. That's the best thing to start up with. Once you put it in and you notice, drive it for 15 days. If you didn't hear any of the wear out from inside, you're good to go. You don't need to do any of the alignments, or you don't need any of other alignment parts on this one. They are most commonly failures on the shock absorbers. So you can't even see anything leak in this one because by the rain and the salt, it just took away everything. The oil didn't stay here. But this is the only solution to get it fixed. So if you guys have any Hondas and you want the rear shock absorbers, we have a larger inventory. We're happy to help you out. Thank you.